Hey everybody, this is Brian with Muletown Speed, and I've got another LS engine for sale today. This one is a 4.8 LS Vortec engine out of a 2002 Silverado. It's got 150,000 miles on it, and it is complete, ready to roll. It's been tuned up. I can flash it to your specifications, and it's complete. So we're going to do a walk around. We're going to do a startup and let you hear it run. Let you see all the sensors working, and if you're interested in it, all the information is down below this video. You can contact us via our website, muletownspeed.com, Facebook. You can call me, you can text me, send a carrier pigeon, do whatever you want to do. All of our contact info is below as well as the price and all the information on this particular engine. This is 348001. Or just tell us, hey, I'm interested in the 4.8, we'll know what you're talking about. But it's complete with all accessories, exhaust, flex plate, PCM, wiring harness, pretty much everything you need. So really, you need to connect your fuel, you need to connect your battery power. It even comes with a fuse block to use. So let us know if you're interested in this one. Give us a call and we'll get it to you. All right, so real quick, this is a Gen 3 4.8 out of a, it'd be like a 2001 to 2006 or 2007 Silverado, most likely. So this is probably a later year, so you can see that it's got the returnless fuel rail here. So it's probably like a 2005 to 2007, I'm guessing. So anyway, that really doesn't affect you much in doing a swap. As you can see here, I've just got a Corvette filter regulator with my two lines. It's a supply and return plugged in there, and then it just snaps right on to the quick connect on the rail there. So anyway, this is a 4.8. It's got 150,000 miles. This is a drive-by cable, Gen 3. It's got 706 heads on it. It's an iron block. So I think these made like 275 horse or something like that. So it's pretty stout for a swap. It's got all the accessories. It's got a 411 PCM. It'll come with a fuse block that your harness will plug right into. It's got obviously all the coils, the intake. I'll have an intake cover for it. If you do want to run AC, I can put an AC bracket on there for you for your compressor. It's got a flex plate. It's got pretty much everything you need. There's really not a whole lot to say about this one. It's pretty simple. There's no VVT. There's no active fuel management. This is about as simple as it gets. So really, you need to supply your power to your starter. You need to supply fuel to the fuel rail. You need to get motor mounts, and you know, if that exhaust doesn't work for you, get some exhaust that'll fit. Otherwise, this thing fires up and runs. So if you are interested in this one, call me, text me, message me, send me a Instagram, a Facebook, whatever you want to do. There's a lot of ways to get a hold of me. Muletownspeed.com is actually up and going. I don't have anything posted there yet, but that is the website you can find all of our information on. Otherwise, Facebook, or just text me. But anyway, all the information for this one is in the description of this video, and let me know if you're interested. Thanks, everybody. All right, so we're gonna do a quick fire up of our 4.8, and just real quick, I did throw a new set of spark plugs in this, and then both of these O2 sensors here are brand new. The rear O2 sensors have been deleted, so this is not an emissions controlled engine. And then we are running without a mass airflow sensor, so we're running speed density, which basically means it's using manifold absolute pressure sensor instead of that and MAF. It just makes a swap much easier. Basically for you, that just means that there's just less stuff to hook up. So instead of that, we have an air inlet temp sensor here that we've plumbed into the intake just to serve that purpose so you can see inlet air temperature. We running? Yep, we're running here. Okay, yeah. Air inlet sensor is 77. Coolant temp is 122. So I'm going to do a fire up here. So our alternator is charging 14-ish volts, and then our idle is settling down nice. I think I set it to like 700 RPM or 750 RPM, something like that. You can see oil pressure is mid 40s there, and it runs nice and quiet. Besides the exhaust sounding kind of cool. So I must have set it at 650. Yep. That's it's desired RPM at idle. So yeah, 650 when it's warmed up. So you can see O2 sensors are switching. That's good. Our map sensor is working just fine, and like I said before, mass airflow sensor is turned off, so that's why that's not reading. And then we've got coolant temp is warming up, 79 degrees, air inlet temp, alternator is charging. There's no leaks, it's not leaking water, it's not leaking oil, fuel, none of that. No belt squeaks, at least not that I've heard. Yeah. Here. So that's it. If you have any other questions on this engine, reach out to me, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. And then if you do want to buy this engine, we can do several things as far as shipping goes. You can either pick it up here. We're near Columbia, Tennessee, which is south of Nashville. We can ship it anywhere in the country. We're set up to do that. Or we can deliver it if you're within 150 miles. We can just bring it over to you for a small fee there. So let us know what you want to do. Reference 348001. That's the reference number. Or just tell me that you want the 48. It's the only one that I've got. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let me know if you're interested.